Did you know that for any given manufacturer, their lead time, meaning the time from order to delivery, 95% of that lead time is non-value added, meaning it's wasteful, it's unnecessary. So let's talk about that, because I get that question, and manufacturers ask, how much improvement do we have? So I want you to look at this and think about the timeline from when you actually get an order here until you actually complete delivery or shipment, if that's your arrangement. So anything you see in brown is actually value added. This means the activities that your customer pays you for. Order entry, drilling, saw, processing, deburring, those kinds of operations. That's what these brown bars represent. Everything in between, it's non-value added. These are things that don't add any value to your process, to your business. So think of things like waiting and searching and looking for documentation or for product, okay? So typically what you would see is that, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, 95% of the timeline, yes, your timeline for your manufacturing business, it's 95% non-value added. If you think about it, your value added, your cycle times are typically going to be measured in seconds, minutes, or hours. And when you look at non-value added, it's typically going to be hours and sometimes days, right? Waiting on a supplier, waiting on a document, and so on and so forth. So why is this important? What does this matter? So what happens is that when we look at lean is instead of focusing on the value added and trying to make that faster, what we do is we focus on the non-value added and we try to eliminate it, right? So we attack this part of your timeline. And what ends up happening is that your lead time gets cut down from this to this. And so why is that important? I want you to think about for your manufacturing business, what would it mean for your business in the marketplace if you could deliver faster, better quality, more efficiently, meaning you have higher margins, right? The list of possibilities is endless. So that's what lean is. That's how much opportunity typically is on manufacturing business, and that's the significance of having 95% non-value added in your business.
If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to receive notifications. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos. Thanks for watching.